Now, after we calculate the energy flow in the house, in order to harmonize the house, we have to use something concrete, something with shapes to change the energy. So in the case of crystals, we use pointed crystals to deflect negative energies. And we use circular, round, like a ball, crystal ball, for example, to collect good energy. That's why you must not put a crystal ball in something with bad energy. And you must not put a crystal prism, a pointed one, in somewhere with bad energy. So if the practitioner is not proficient enough in doing this, can get the two reversed, suddenly good becomes a bad, becomes a bango. That's why it's not that simple. The mathematical background is very important. To do Feng Shui, the first thing is also a marriage. Like you marry a lady or marry a guy, whatever that is. When you live in a house, it's like marrying the house. So it has to be a good match between you and the house. 一個人入一間屋咧，就等於夫婦，男好女好，即係你本人同間屋配唔配合。所以咧，第一件事就要考慮呢個問題喺風水一陣。First thing to consider in Feng Shui and see the matching between the people living there and the house. In other words, the best house may not fit everyone, but even the worst house may fit somebody. Okay? Years ago, I okayed someone to buy a house at the crossroad like an X. Looks like anybody living there either went bankrupt or couldn't go anywhere. But I suggest to this kind of mind to buy it, and they end up making a lot of money. You know why? Because they own a casino. 即係換句説話嚟講咧，最唔好嘅屋都會有好嘅主人，最好嘅屋亦都未必人人啱。所以睇風水第一要考慮配唔配呢個人，呢個人配唔配呢間屋。第二個考慮咧就係嗰間屋有冇運。The second thing to consider is the house in on the high cycle or the low cycle. And if it's on the high cycle and if it doesn't match you, it's garbage. If it match you, grab it. Even if you pay more money, grab it. You can make more money than you pay for. Okay? I always buy my houses more than they ask for in my bad history. But I never regret because everything I bought always make good money for me. In 6 figures. Okay? So pay a little bit more, it won't hurt because as long as you know you can make much more afterwards. So you have to look at the cycle. And then the third, you have to find out if the house has centers like money, relation, health, and so on. 第三點我仲要睇個形啊，個形咧就要判斷呢間屋有冇財位，有冇健康位，有冇桃花位咁啊嚇！即係如果冇嗰啲位係咪夾貨啊？真係有啲位你要㗎。譬如呢間屋會唔會生個 B B 咧？譬如佢未有 B B 嘅，你考慮嗰啲咧。